Welcome to one of Sydney's cultural must-dos, the Chinatown Night Markets.
Every Friday night, this vibrant slice of the city transforms into a food lover's dream, full of bustling, delicious food stalls and cultural goods stalls.
So whether you're a foodie or a cultural enthusiast, it's definitely a must-do.
We're going to go and see what we can find to eat, and you can join us.
Let's go.
Can I have a crispy sausage and an enoki mushroom, please?
Yeah, anything else?
Chicken skewer?
Chicken skewers?
Yeah.
$10.50.
Thank you.
Spicy?
Yes,
Fine.
please.
Chicken number 10.
Thank you. Cheers. Chicken. Oops. Not bad.
Crispy sausage?
Sausage. Crikeys.
Messy.
Okay.
Guess you're not wearing that dress tomorrow.
No. I have to say, it's tasty, but it's not spicy. I don't even know
Just pull one off.
how we're going to eat these. Enoki mushroom, by the way. That's good. This is not what to do at the Friday night markets.
Are you going to tell us what happened, Tanya?
The stick went through the bag. And the fried dim sim, please.
And a bottle of water.
And a bottle of water, please. Gonna try not to have a spillage this time.
Okay.
Sticks. All right, fingers crossed this one won't make a mess.
I'm going to start with a dim sum.
Oh. Barbecue pork steamed bun. You cannot go wrong with a steamed bun. Oh.
And I've got a deep fried dim sum. You probably can go wrong with a dim sum.
Especially if it's seafood, because he hates seafood.
Doesn't taste as seafood.
I have to say, decidedly average.
This is not. It's a little. Could do with being a little warmer.
Fingers crossed he doesn't get food poisoning like he got in Mexico. I think we're going to have to try desserts. See if we can redeem ourselves.
It's not bad. It's edible.
Watch it. You have to see. You just see it's like a donut before. Watch it. It's going to turn into a Williams drink and making this for many, many years. You know that?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
How long has he been making them?
Oh my god.
Wow.
Skill, yeah.
So this is dragon beard candy. Apparently it used to be a dessert only for the emperor. I can't remember which dynasty for the emperor, but apparently only when the emperor died did it become available to the commoner. And the guy who we videoed making it has been making it for about 50 years. So here we go. Dragon beard candy. That's really, really good.
So what's it made out of, Simon?
So it's corn syrup is the white stuff, and then it's got a nutty filling.
Yeah, I think she said it was nuts and sesame.
Okay. Good. Very nice. Okay, your turn. Make a mess.
I'm not spilling it on my shoes. That is delicious. It's so soft. And not terribly sweet.
No.
Sweet, but not
Overly sweet.
overly sweet.
It's not sweet as like fairy floss or candy
No,
floss.
but it's got a texture like fairy floss.
Yeah,
and the
even
nut-
a bit softer than fairy floss.
And the nut and sesame in the middle is just... I'm going to have to go back and tell him how delicious it is. Our desserts tonight definitely made up for the slightly dodgy main meals. That's yum.
That's nice strawberry ice cream. Good. It's getting very busy. Very busy. That was our dinner in Chinatown. What did you think, Tanya?
Well, the internet said it was a food lover's dream. I have to say there weren't as many food stalls
No.
as I thought there would be. There were lots of restaurants though.
Lots of restaurants, yeah.
The food, the main meals that we had, the dumplings and the pork buns and the skewers, they were okay.
Yeah. They're edible.
They were edible, but I think the quality you would have got better in one of the restaurants.
Yeah, definitely.
The desserts, on the other hand,
They were really good.
they were really
good.
nice. That dragon's beard, that little old Chinese man, his wife was telling me he's been making it for 50 years. You can tell he's been making it for 50 years. It was absolutely
Beautiful.
delicious. And I would say even if you made the trip to the Friday night markets to get them, it's well worth it.
Yeah, wouldn't be disappointed.
Yeah, and the ice cream was quite nice. And we're going to pop something extra onto the end of the video that if you're in this area, something else you can do before you come into the night markets.
Yep,
But we'll pop
that in at the end.
pop that in at the end.
As a surprise, and I won't spoil it.
Yes, he's not going to spoil it. Anyway, let's see what it is. See ya.
Bye.
If you're in the area of Chinatown, one thing to not miss is Paddy's Markets behind us. Let's go explore, Simon.
Let's go. Paddy's Market is renowned for having cheap souvenirs. How many of them will actually be made in Australia is debatable, and whether all the products are actually genuine is also slightly debatable.
I have a funny feeling from the quality Louis Vuitton and Gucci and Chanel handbags that I saw not too long ago that don't bank on it being genuine. It does remind me very much of the markets in Vietnam, minus the constant missy haggling trying to get you in. We haven't found anything to buy, so we haven't haggled to see whether prices are haggleable. But
some
yeah,
nice
there's
LV
some
there just as
quality,
we walk past.
quality,
Look, they do.
real, authentic goods behind us. But definitely worth a visit
It's
if you're
worth a visit.
in the area.
Definitely. Welcome to one of Sydney's... Oh, I forgot what I was even going to say. Welcome to one of Sydney... full of phones. Welcome to night markets.
Every Friday night, this, oh my God.
This sentence. Sydney's cultural institutions, the Chinatown. Welcome to one of Sydney's cultural
Hold on, my
institutions.
head was pasted on.
You're a foodie enthusiast or a cultural enthusiast, which I said twice and I shouldn't have. Also, whether you're a foodie or a cultural